Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video we're going to be doing a Crochet Society unboxing. These are for Amigurumi kits. We'll have a proper unboxing in a minute. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just wanted to try these kits out because I've seen them a lot on Instagram and stuff. This one is the elephant and it comes with everything you need and stuff, and also a really cute hook. How cute is that? And it also has a stitch marker in it as well with a little elephant. It has a card in there with the QR code for the pattern, and it's written pattern, so I'm glad about that because I don't always like following YouTube videos for patterns just because I don't know, I'm lazy. But this one is the monkey one, and again it comes with everything. I like the hook that comes in this. It's the banana hook. But I'm really excited to try these out because I've not tried the yarn before. It's kind of like, it's velvety, but it's quite thin. So I'm excited to see how that works up and if it's good, and then obviously I'll be testing the pattern out and stuff and seeing if that works and if mine comes out the same. So in this video we're going to be trying those kits out together, testing the yarn and all the supplies. I'm just going to use all the stuff in the box, so I'll use the safety eyes that have come with it and the needle and the hook. I think I just need scissors, yeah. And I'll also be using the stitch marker as well, but I'm so excited because they're adorable. So if you enjoy crochet videos, vlogs, yarn hauls, organisation for my yarn and stuff, why not hit the subscribe button and we'll get on with the video. Hi guys, so I'm finally able to start this project because I've been busy with other projects, and you can probably tell where I was last night. Went to go see Sabrina Carpenter in London. She was amazing, oh my god. But I think I've got everything I need, so I'm going to be using everything that came with the kit. So I'll be using the stuffing, I'm going to use the hook as well. I think all I need is scissors. Also it does come with this Made with Love tag. I'm not actually sure where you would put this, but I might actually put that on just to, you know. But yeah, so I'm actually going to get started with this. I've not used this type of yarn before. It's like thinner than what I've used. Okay, but I can't find the end. That's not really a good start. I was hoping for a middle pull here. I can't find the end. Oh, okay. What? I still can't find the end, hold on. So I finally managed to find the end with a bit of mess, but I finally found the end. Right, so let's get started on, I think I'm just going to do it in the order it says to do it. So I'll start with the head first. Oh, this feels odd. Oh god. Oh, blimey. I have got to say, I am excited to add this hook into my collection because isn't it gorgeous? Love it. Right, so magic ring down. I can't remember if this is actually written in the US or UK terms. I should probably see that. I'm also going to use the little stitch marker it came with. It looks like it's written in UK terms because they say DC, which is a single crochet. So that's going to be interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This looks like I'm not going to be able to see my stitches, which I'm scared about, because I like being able to see my stitches. Well, I've done something wrong somewhere. I've got 10 less stitches than I should have. Problem is, I cannot see where the stitches are, which is bugging me. Right, I'm just going to start this row again, I guess. Well, round, I guess. So somehow I have got the right stitch count now. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm on round 6. I'm having trouble with using this fluffy yarn. I cannot see where the stitches are. And also, so like you've got to do, say like you've got to do 3 single crochets and then 2 in the next stitch, and then also it's got how many stitches you should have at the end. I feel like I need to think of both at the same time, so I need to count the pattern, what I'm actually doing, and then I also count the stitches as I go as well, which is tricky. I'm probably making that a bit harder for myself, but I don't know how else I cannot see the stitches, so how am I supposed to count? I'm not very good at amigurumi. I think this is probably why I don't do it. Just thought it would be fun. But yeah, so I'm gonna try get the head done and then I'll meet you back. When I use thicker yarn, you obviously use a bigger hook, and I think it's because I'm using thinner yarn and I'm having to use a smaller hook. I don't know why, but for some reason I think the stitches are further apart, so I think that's why I'm missing stitches. But this yarn is honestly so soft. It's lovely. But yeah, so I'm gonna try go finish the head off, or a couple of other parts, and then I'll come back to you and let you know how I'm doing.
My yarn room, as I'm redoing it, I need to sort out the whole room, and then I will be doing organise my yarn stash with me, but I'd like to reorganise the whole room first because I don't really like the layout of it, which is why I don't really film with me. That will be it for this week's vlog. Make sure to comment your favourite programmes or YouTubers or TV shows to watch.
Hi guys, so I did actually finish the elephant last night. Here is the reveal. Oh, it looks so weird on camera. I swear it looks better in person, and this has made me realise that I do not enjoy amigurumi. I really don't. I don't mind making all the pieces and stuff. I think it's the sewing that I just hate. But yeah, here's my finished little elephant. Now I've got the little flower on top. These ears could have been sewn a bit better. And for some reason my nose is shorter than the patterns one. I did it exactly how the pattern stated, and it just looks like my nose is smaller. But I feel like this will look cute on my little shelf. But I still have quite a lot of spare yarn actually. So this is all the grey I have left. And pink. and then white. I've got loads of white. I don't know why they give you so much white in here, because all the white you need is literally that tiny little bit in the flower. Yeah, I don't know why they give you so much white. But other than that, the pattern was easy to follow, and I think it turned out quite cute. I'm not really happy with the ears, but that's the other thing about sewing amigurumi, is that you have to, it's hard to sew something symmetrical, like the legs for instance, and the ears obviously. But yeah, so that's what she looks like. Yeah, I could probably make another elephant with all this, to be fair. I'm not going to, but so that's her finished. I will be making the monkey as well in this video. I don't know if I'm going to show you any of the process, or if I'm just going to make it and then review it. I'm not sure. But I really like this yarn. It's really nice and soft. It is a little bit difficult to crochet with. It's a little bit hard to see your stitches. But other than that, it's adorable. What do you think? But yeah, so I'm going to put this in my scrap yarn. Maybe I can find something else to make with this, because it is really lovely yarn. It's just a bit hard to see your stitches. So let's move on to the monkey one. Hi guys, so I finished the monkey last night. I actually started him last night as well, so I'm really surprised that I finished him so quickly. He was really easy actually. Are you ready for the reveal? Here he is! Oh my god, he looks a bit wonky on camera, but here he is. There's little belly and tail, and then he's also got a little banana. Look how cute that is. Yeah, his face is definitely wonky. I didn't realise that. That's the only thing I don't like amigurumi, is it's hard to sew it on straight. I struggle with that, and just making the stuff even. I think most of it's alright. I think it's just this little face thing, but that's my fault. But yeah, and then you've got the little banana, which is super cute. So yeah, he comes with a little banana. And then I thought I'd show you the elephant again. This is the elephant. They're super cute. I think the elephant is slightly bigger than the monkey. But yeah, I think I had more fun doing the monkey, just because I think the elephant is for beginners, and obviously I'm a bit more experienced with crochet and stuff, so I think I enjoyed the monkey a bit more. And also I really like his banana. It's cute. But what do you think, guys? I really enjoyed working with this yarn, and as you saw, I did use everything that came with the kit. I used the same sewing needle, I used the hook and the stitch marker. I also used the bags as well, and they're really nice. I think they're recycled cotton, but they're really nice to use, and they are very sturdy as well. And I like how they've got each character on. I'd definitely buy these again. These are adorable. I really like how they turned out, and I think they'll sit on that shelf back there really nicely together. And that's super cute. What do you think, guys? Let me know if you've tried any Crochet Society kits and what you think about them. I think they're really nice, and they're good value for money. I paid, I think it was £15 each. I think that's pretty good, to be fair, because you get everything you need. You get the safety eyes, stuffing. I definitely didn't use up all the yarn either, so I've got a lot left over, but I really like this yarn. It's lovely and soft, and I think once you start it, like the magic ring, you do a few rounds, I think it gets easier to see the stitches, because I was having a bit of trouble seeing what stitch to go into. These turned out really cute. What do you think? And they turned out adorable. As I say, I love this banana. Ooh, this banana is so cute. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I have been using the other stuff that I bought from them as well. I bought those binding clips. I have actually used those. They're really handy. They're really useful. I use them attaching panels for a blanket. Very handy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a like and maybe subscribe if you are enjoying my videos, and hope to see you again soon. Bye, guys.